Unlock the potential of your outdoor living spaces with our top-tier custom and decorative concrete patio solutions. We are Paterson's local concrete contractors committed to turning your backyard into a stunning retreat that you'll love for years to come. Our patios are not only built to last, but are designed to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. We use only the highest quality materials to ensure that your patio withstands the test of time. Whether you prefer the elegant simplicity of traditional concrete or the sophisticated touch of stamped patterns, RW Concrete has the expertise to tailor each project to your preferences and specifications. Imagine a beautiful new concrete patio with a built-in fire pit. Perfect for evening gatherings and adding a touch of luxury to your outdoor space. Transform your backyard with our premium concrete patio designs. Our team excels in crafting patios that become the heart of your home. Elevate your outdoor area with our wide range of decorative options. Choose from various stamp patterns that mimic stone, brick, and other textures to create a unique look. Our expert designers work with you to bring your vision to life. From sleek, minimalist patios to intricate decorative designs with fire pits, let your imagination run wild with possibilities. Contact us, RW Concrete Driveways in Paterson, New Jersey, to discuss your concrete patio project, and let's start designing a space where memories will be made for years to come.